Hey everybody, Michael Jones here, LePage, Kelowna. Welcome to the Kelowna and Central Okanagan real estate market update for December 2023. Let's get started with single-family homes. For a single-family home sits just over $991,000. That's a 1.63% decrease from last November. Prices, however, have remained fairly steady. It is on par for this time of year as many sellers delist for the season with the intent of relisting come spring. The number of homes sold, however, shrank over 1.5% from last month, which is pretty normal given the season. Sales, however, dropped a little over 8.5% year over year, indicating a drop in demand caused by the interest rates we've seen recently. Interestingly, though, demand certainly hasn't fallen off as many have anticipated. The sales to new listing ratio for single-family homes currently sits at 42%. This means that the market is pretty balanced. So if you are thinking of selling your home in the near future, homes are being actively sought. The price-value equation is really what seems to matter most. Next up, let's have a look at condos. Prices overall decreased a bit over 4% from last month. Now compared to last year, however, they're down roughly 2%. The current benchmark price for Kelowna and the Central Okanagan is just over $496,000. Now I expect to see a bit more drop in price as the months progress. Here's why. The number of sales came in 18% less than the previous month, and nearly 14% from last year. This, coupled with a massive 41% increase in listings from last year's, suggests the province's short-term rental regs are prompting investors to list. So if you're thinking you'd like to buy a condo in the near future, I definitely recommend watching this market closely. It's a strong buyer's market out there, which means there are bound to be some really fantastic deals. Turning now to townhomes, prices here in Kelowna Central Okanagan have remained fairly tight. They rose to around $756,000, up 2.53% from the previous month. Compared to last year, prices are down only around 1%. Similar to the condo market, new listings rocketed up nearly 53% compared to last year. Again, this is likely attributable to the government's short-term regulations. Again, I do encourage you, especially if you're looking at buying, to watch this market closely. Only 43 townhomes sold last month, which is 22% less than the previous month. In short, there is a buyer's market for townhomes. Prices may be due for a bit of a correction. However, townhomes are a tricky asset. I don't suspect we're going to see as much adjustment there as we will in the condo market. Finally, we are still seeing a lot of price adjustments as sellers wake up to the changing marketplace reality. We are not, however, seeing a huge discount off of list prices once the right price is determined. The standard home sold for around 3.4% off list price last month. So keep that number in mind if you or anyone you know are thinking of buying or selling. So to close up, I'd really like to know your thoughts. What are your predictions for the Central Okanagan Kelowna real estate market in 2024? Let me know in the comments below or hit that reply button and send me an email. I'd love to hear from you. That's all for now, folks. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Michael Jones, LePage, Kelowna, out. See ya.